Illustrator tricks, trick number 62. One of the most fundamental design principles is symmetry. It has the ability to bring balance, harmony, and order to your compositions. In today's tip, I'll teach you how to make symmetry with Illustrator. Let's get started. First, I'll draw an awful form with the pen tool, or just hit P on the keyboard. Now, select your shape, go to the Object menu, select Repeat, then choose Mirror. As you can see, Illustrator made a copy of my form. Every modification I made to my form will now be visible on the opposite side of the symmetry line. You may also change the angle of the symmetry line. When completed, press Enter on your keyboard, and the form will be one shape. If you want to make changes, enter on the isolated mode by double-clicking on the shape. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find more tricks in the series I created in my profile. Thank you for watching.